Easy auto calibration with buffer recognition. Auto. Temp. Compensation, ATC, ensures accuracy in various temperatures, 32 to 122 F. Backed by Apera quality pH sensor with low impedance, ensuring high response rate. Comes in a rugged carrying case with PH47 buffers and a lanyard. Auto recognition of stable values improves consistency, so you don't have to guess when to manually hold measurement. Up to 2,000 hours continuous operation, powered by AAA batteries. Simply the most reliable pocket pH tester with the best value for general-purpose pH testing, e.g. hydroponics, horticulture, pools and spas, water treatment, beverage making, education, environmental monitoring, etc. Up to 3 points of auto calibration and 0 to 50 C auto temperature compensation, ATC, 0.1 picohenries accuracy with 0 to 14.0 picohenries measuring range. Auto recognition and indication of stable values improves repeatability, saving you the trouble of guessing when to manually hold measurement. PH20 comes with a complete kit of premixed calibration solutions, 4.00 and 7.00, 4 AAA batteries, and a lanyard, all in a portable carrying case. Smart self-diagnosis, warning of incorrect buffer solutions and incorrect calibrations. IP67 water resistant. Up to 2,000 hours operation powered by AAA alkaline batteries. The product is CE and RoHS certified, and is manufactured under an ISO 9001-2015 certified quality system. Top reviews from the United States. Should have bought this sooner. Previously I used the well-known yellow one. Well, this season one started out knowing something was wrong with my process because nothing was growing. Bought this and compared immediately, and my pH was 2.6 points off from the Apera. What a joke, so I've lost 1 full month already to Fing. If you're on the fence or thought about it, do it, buy it because you won't regret it. Very nice hard case with all the documents, certs, and instruction, 2 pre-made solutions 7 and 4 for double checking time to time. I really liked that I can put the storage solution in the cap, close up the case and place it anywhere I want like a book, and it's perfectly upright with the probe in the solution. For $65, this guarantees you have good water within range for optimal growth. How can one go wrong with this? Everything in one hard case. I did purchase the 3 meters KCI solution separately, although you can get away with using a little 4.0 solution that comes with the kit. I will update after I get a full season using it, but so far it has already saved my season. Highly recommended.